everybody, welcome to Cooking with Caris. Today we'll be making sausage chili. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can get notified whenever I post something new. You will need some chili sausages, and if you don't have those you can just get normal sausages and put chili on it. And some oil, don't know what oil it is.
Vegetable
Oil, some tortilla wraps, what's this?
Leek.
Some leek, some peppers, some salt, some whole black peppercorn. What's this? Smoked paprika. What's this? Ground cumin.
Cumin, yeah.
Chili beans and chopped tomatoes.
Cool. And what colour peppers are you using?
I'm using yellow and red because I don't like green.
You don't like green? Okay, 'cause green's quite bitter, isn't it?
I'm going to cut up my leek. Cut the end off. I'm going to chop it in the middle.
You chopping it?
Surely still. There we go.
Push the knife through it.
Then I'm going to half moon it.
Half moon it. Where's that one gone? That's short on enough. Go.
So you slice it in half lengthways like we just did, and then you slice it. And done. Now chop your peppers. I've now got my peppers and my leeks in my bowl. I now need to peel my sausage out of its skin. You need your stove at a medium heat.
Stove.
That's what it's called.
Hob.
Hob on medium.
Is it a stove? Yeah, I don't know.
Got my oil.
Yeah.
Look, it's all greasy.
It's oil.
I know, but it's really greasy on the bottle. I'm going to open it and oil my container.
You're trying to splash in there. That'll do. That's perfect.
I'm going to put my peppers and leek into my pan to soften them. That good. I'm adding a tablespoon of cumin in. Just enough.
Tablespoon, yeah. That's a tablespoon.
That's good. And then do I give it a stir?
Give it a stir, yeah.
Give my cumin a bit of a stir.
Give your cumin a bit of a stir. Keep it in the pan.
Okay.
No, you can just stir it outside the pan if you want.
I've got to add in some paprika.
Yeah,
And we've got
just paprika, not paprika.
Paprika.
You need another tablespoon. Oh, do it over that. I think that's all of it. Took all of it. I think it's about a tablespoon. The rest of it in there.
Oh, all of this?
Yeah, I think the rest of it that'll do. Yeah, that's about a tablespoon.
That was my mouth, not my bum.
Give it a stir.
I'm going to put some water in.
Yeah, just stop it sticking.
Then,
Yeah, give it a stir then.
I'm just chicken in it, but there isn't.
Chicken?
Peppers look a bit like chicken. The red ones.
Not nothing like chicken.
Put it into me.
Put the sausages in.
Sure.
Yeah. And then you're going to fry the sausages and break them down with your spoon.
I'm going to break the sausages down with my spoon.
Yeah, break them down.
I'm adding my tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes.
How you do it?
Just like opening a pan of Coke and Pepsi, but I could do that easily. Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Where's your muscles gone?
Hey!
Oh yeah. It's splashing me.
Sorry.
I'm trying to pull them a bit closer. It's going everywhere, look. I do. Give them a stir.
I'm scared to put them in.
Oh, cold tomatoes.
Yeah, but I was thought they'd be hot. Mix it in, and after a few minutes, the tomatoes should be squashed down. Chilli.
Yeah, pour it nice and close. So I'll be getting soaked again.
In. Yeah, that's all of them.
That's it.
Yeah, that's all of them. Well, I've just mixed it, so my beans are spread out all evenly. Look. So to make my tortillas, I need some wraps, tortilla wraps. I'm going to cut triangular shapes. I've got a few there because I was a bit smart. And then I did it like this way, which is a bit easier, that's why it is smarter. It looks like a lily pad.
Lily pad. Hot Pac-Man. Yeah.
And 180.
Yeah, the other way.
80 degrees. Okay. I'm going to spaciously.
Spaciously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lay out my tortillas.
Yeah.
First.
What's happened to that one?
Some of them are way bigger. Some of them are way smaller because my cutting is terrible.
That looked like an elephant here.
Some of them are tiny. We might have to do 2 bunches of these.
So that one can be mummy's.
Yeah.
And that small one there, that can be mummy's.
We'll
We'll have the rest because we've done the hard work.
Sorry, Daddy.
It's alright.
So now I'm going to drizzle on my oil. I need the oil again. More oil. Like this, look.
Yeah, so get us just coverage over all of them.
Just covered over them.
Give the bottle a little squeeze if you want. That's it.
There you go. I'm going to crack some salt and pepper on it.
That's a lot of pepper. Wow, that's a load of pepper. Well done.
I was doing it the wrong way.
Oh, yeah, okay. Put a bit more on than that. Let's get loads on there.
Okay. Unless you don't know.
Try and get it on the tray rather than on the floor if you can. That'd be great. Lovely.
Now some salt.
Yeah, we want lots of salt
It
on it.
always tastes good with more salt. Ooh.
Makes it crispier.
Why is salt always really hard to do? Ugh.
Just it, that's it. Right, what are you doing? That's the wrong way round. You go that way, that's it. Lovely. We're in.
Put them in there to 8 minutes.
8 minutes, yeah. So
I'm now going to dish the dinner up. This one will be for Daddy. And you can have 2 big ones because he's a bit greedy. And then a bit of a half.
jeez, it's not that much.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.